Are you trying to find a reliable head gasket sealer that won't break the bank or complicate your repair? Relax, you were in the right place because we were breaking down the best options with clear and practical guidance. Today, I'm going to be going over the best head gasket sealers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the K-Seal ST3501. From the moment you unbox, this sealant presents itself as a budget-friendly automotive fix aimed at DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Its packaging is sturdy, with a rugged bottle design and clear instructions, signaling reliability and ease of use for engine bay repairs. Its bottle size remains compact enough to fit in a toolbox, yet large enough to treat several cooling system leaks. The formulation uses a quick-curing resin that bonds with aluminum and steel surfaces, forming a durable seal without heat or extensive downtime. It includes a corrosion inhibitor package to protect cooling channels, while remaining compatible with standard antifreeze mixes and vehicle brands. During bench tests and quick field trials, the ST3501 demonstrated steady flow through cracked radiator cores, maintaining pressure without dramatic drops. Users reported easy application using the included funnel, with noticeable improvements within a single driving cycle along with reduced overheating events. In longer-term assessments, several users noted restored coolant levels and non-invasive thermostat operation after repeated drives, indicating effective long-term sealing. We also tested ease of removal if needed by a mechanic and found the sealant remains stable during oil changes. The ST3501 is designed to work without disassembly, which is a notable advantage over some more invasive head gasket repair methods. Another practical edge is its compatibility with pre-existing rust inhibitors, allowing continued protection in older cooling systems. Overall, the ST3501 offers a fast, non-invasive option for minor to moderate leaks, appealing to shop foremen and careful home enthusiasts. Compared to Bars Leaks head gasket repair, the K-Seal ST3501 delivers quicker cure times and broader compatibility across makes. The pros include fast cure time, broad compatibility with antifreeze types, and straightforward, mess-free application that reduces spill risk during maintenance. The cons include significant price premium relative to alternatives and restricted distribution in rural areas across many regions. At number 4, we have the BlueDevil 38386. From the outset, this sealer reads as a straightforward DIY option aimed at homeowners and weekend hobbyists seeking reliable fixes. Its packaging centers on a 16-oz bottle with clear instructions, enabling precise pours without spillage during operation. The target audience includes DIYs who want a fast, non-invasive fix without extensive engine work on site. Build quality feels solid for a consumer-grade product, with a rugged cap and sealed bottleneck design. The bottle shape is compact and the cap screws tight, minimizing spills during transfer and storage at workshops. It ships with clear testing instructions, including timing windows for the coolant cycle and a cure time under 24 hours. The standout feature is the non-clogging formula that stays liquid in the system until you establish a solid seal. Its chemistry is designed to interact with coolant without causing residue that complicates future repairs or maintenance intervals. It remains compatible with standard radiator systems and does not require engine removal or heavy disassembly to apply. In real-world trials, users report reduced leaks during commuting and short trips, indicating functional sealing under everyday stresses. Temperature stability improved after installation, with coolant temperatures holding steady across varied ascent grades and engine loads consistently. The overall performance depends on gasket health and system cleanliness, ensuring you treat the root cause before relying on the seal. Compared to Bars Leaks head gasket sealer, the BlueDevil 38386 delivers longer-lasting seals and a cleaner, more straightforward application. The pros include reliable sealing, easy application, and no disassembly required. The cons include higher price and not ideal for severely damaged engines. At number 3, we have the K-Seal ST5501. K-Seal ST5501 presents itself as a practical option for homeowners, hobbyists, and small shop technicians seeking quick, reliable engine repair solutions. For car owners, workshop technicians, and fleet managers facing persistent coolant leaks, this sealant promises a practical, time-saving repair option. For those who cannot afford extended downtime, K-Seal ST5501 offers a minimally disruptive fix with minimal disassembly. Constructed in a durable plastic bottle with a secure cap and pour spout, the K-Seal ST5501 feels reliable when handled. Its dimensions align with standard automotive supply storage, fitting neatly on shelves and workshop carts without taking excessive space. The bottle design minimizes drips and spills during transfer, contributing to cleaner workspaces and less wasted product. The formula uses a robust polymer matrix that bonds to metal surfaces, creating a flexible, water-resistant seal that tolerates temperature fluctuations. A key advantage is rapid curing, with a promised seal forming within a full day of application under typical operating temperatures. This product includes a structured, twist cap line for easy storage after use, and an integrated safety seal to reduce exposure. In practical field trials, ST5501 demonstrated reliable sealing under moderate leaks and remained stable under varying engine speeds. During more aggressive testing, performance was mixed with some reduced effectiveness on larger, more serious gasket failures requiring alternative remedies. Overall durability appears solid in the short to mid-term, though results can vary with engine design complexity and maintenance history. Compared to a leading rival like Barr's leaks, the K-Seal ST5501 delivers quicker results with simpler application and reduced vehicle downtime. The pros include fast-acting sealant action, compatible with most antifreeze types, and one bottle repairs common leaks. The cons include limited long-term effectiveness on severe engine damage and higher price than basic sealant. At number 2, we have the BlueDevil Products 38386. From the moment you unbox, this solution targets DIYers and professional workshops seeking tangible reliability without draining time or budgets. It ships in a 16-ounce bottle designed for straightforward pouring, enabling fast application without messy measuring or guesswork. Designed to be safe for aluminum engines, it minimizes corrosion risks while restoring pressure without dismantling or extensive coolant flushes. The formula emphasizes a non-clogging composition that travels through cooling channels without leaving residue or blocking radiator pathways. In practice, it relies on heat and system pressure to cure leaks while sealing the smallest gaps without external intervention. It claims compatibility with all common coolant types, preventing chemical conflicts and enabling easy integration with existing radiator fluids. Compared to a leading competing sealant, it offers quicker initial seal and simpler cleanup, making it a more practical choice. The pros include fast application, durable seal, and broad compatibility. The cons include higher price and limited regional availability. In practical testing on a mid-size sedan, it halted radiator leaks within 24 hours and maintained steady operating temperatures. During longer highway runs, system pressure remained stable and invasive repairs avoided costly engine dismantling, reinforcing confidence in homeowners. Seasoned technicians appreciate predictable results, while weekend DIYers value clear instructions, compatible additives, and a forgiving learning curve for first-time sealants. Overall, BlueDevil 38386 delivers reliable performance with easy integration into existing cooling systems, aligning with budget-conscious repair strategies. At number 1, we have the Thermalweld engine head gasket repair. Initial impressions emphasize a professional-grade formula, targeting shop technicians and informed DIYers seeking reliable, long-lasting gasket repair results. Aside from the bottle's sturdy package, the formula flows smoothly and feels ready for precise application on stubborn head gasket leaks. The bottle design combines a rugged plastic body with a precision nozzle, ensuring controlled dispensing and minimizing wrist strain during widespread engine applications. Claims of rapid cure surface quickly, with initial sealing evident within an hour and full strength developing over the following hours. Ergonomic grip, durable container, and broad compatibility notes address common engine bay challenges while delivering predictable performance across multiple vehicle configurations. A standout feature is its high temperature tolerance, maintaining seal integrity under elevated engine pressures while resisting common coolant and oil contaminants. Technical detail includes seamless compatibility with aluminum heads and steel blocks, and a robust bonding agent forming a permanent seal. Another key feature is the viscosity that enables quick dispersion without clogging seals, reducing installation time for technicians. Real-world testing demonstrates durable performance under cyclic cooling and heating, with leak resistance persisting through multiple engine cycles and heat soak. In controlled bench tests, cylinder compression remains stable and gap integrity shows measurable improvement after application, translating into smoother operation. During a simulated overheating scenario, the product maintains seal claims and reduces detectable coolant loss compared to untreated engines. When pitted against standard sealant kits like Gasket Fix Pro, Thermalweld offers longer-lasting seals and faster cure in hot conditions. The pros include excellent leak sealing capabilities, broad engine compatibility across makes and models, and rapid cure time minimizing downtime. The cons include a higher price point compared to basic sealants and occasional difficulties finding immediate availability in regional automotive stores.